I would like to thank our chairperson for taking the time to hear our measure, House Bill number 3506, or the Anti-Online Gambling Advertisement Act of 2025. This proposed measure seeks to prohibit the advertising, promotion, and marketing of online gambling across mass media and digital platforms. Allow me to briefly underscore the intent of this bill. This proposed measure is about responsibility. Our responsibility to guide, protect, and preserve the values that hold our families and communities together. It is about shielding the young and the vulnerable from the quiet harm caused by the constant promotion of online gambling. As legislators, we have the duty to draw the line when profit begins to outweigh conscience. We must ensure that our public spaces, be it television, billboards, or online platforms, do not promote habits that weaken our homes and values. As Proverbs 11:14 reminds us, where there is no guidance, a people falls, but in an abundance of counselors, there is safety. Today, we choose to be that guidance, to act before more families fall, and to uphold what is right over what is easy. That is the heart of this measure. Thank you, Mr. Chair, and looking forward to working with the community for the committee for this measure. Thank you, Chair.